Welcome to class, and today we'll be looking at one of the 5 kingdoms which living organisms can be classified into. And on this note, I'll welcome you to today's series of Learn Biology with Henry. Kindly bring out your learning materials as we learn together. In our previous class, we discussed that living organisms can be classified into 5 kingdoms based on the recent findings of biologists, which are Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Plantae, and Kingdom Animalia. So today we'll be looking at one of the kingdoms, which is Kingdom Monera. This kingdom contains simplest living organisms, such as the bacteria and the blue-green algae. And they are unicellular in nature, that is, they are made up of one cells, and they are prokaryotic, that is, their nucleus is not bound by membrane, and their chromosome lies freely in the cell. And examples of organisms that belong to Kingdom Monera are bacteria and the cyanobacteria, which is also known as the blue-green algae. Now, the bacteria, it can only be seen with the aid of a light microscope, and it is found in different environments, such as in air, the air we breathe, in water, in soil, and even inside living organisms. And they are various shapes, while some are spherical in shape, known as coccus, some are rod-like in shape, and are known as bacillus, among other shapes in which they possess. And some of these bacteria are motile, that is, they can move using their whip-like structure known as flagella, and some are non-motile. Now, the singular form of bacteria is bacterium, and the singular form of flagella is flagellum. How do they feed? Some bacteria are able to manufacture their own food through the breakdown of inorganic compounds, a process known as chemosynthesis. And others are saprophytic in nature, that is, they derive their food by breaking down dead organisms, and they absorb the nutrients that is breakdown in such organisms. And others are parasitic in nature. They feed on the host, causing damage to the host, whereby they themselves are nourished. Now, looking at the reproduction in bacteria, most of the bacteria reproduce through binary fission, and this is one of the asexual mode of reproduction, whereby a bacterium divides into 2 daughter cells that are identical to the parent cells, and the 2 daughter cells divide into 4, the 4 daughter cells divide into 8, and through these, bacteria are able to colonize an environment because of the ability to grow rapidly. Now, another organism that belongs to this kingdom Monera, is the blue-green algae, which is also known as cyanobacteria. And these are found in freshwater bodies, that is, water bodies with little or no salt content in them. And they can also be found in damp places on land, wet areas on land. And because they possess chlorophyll, they are able to manufacture their own food, but their chlorophyll is not found in their chloroplast, but they are distributed throughout the cytoplasm, and they can exist either as single cells or as colonies, whereby they are made up of identical cells and are joined together in slim sheets. An example of cyanobacteria include nostoc, auxiliatorial, among others. And this brings us to the end of today's series of Learn Biology with Henry. Thank you so much for coming around. Kindly follow my Facebook page for more educative content in biology. Also, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel as Learn Biology with Henry for more educative content like this in biology. Don't forget to like the videos, don't forget to share, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when the next series is released. And if there is any topic you want me to treat in biology, kindly drop it in the comment section. Thank you so much for coming around. See you in the next class.